You probably heard of quartz countertops, but what exactly is quartz? And why is it becoming one of the most popular choices for kitchens and bathrooms here in Phoenix? Well, quartz is what is known as an engineered stone. It is made from combining natural quartz crystals with resins and pigments. So even though it is man-made, it's built from real stone. Well, this process gives quartz a few big advantages, like consistent colors, extra strength, and very low maintenance. Now, unlike granite, which is 100% natural and cut from the earth, quartz is crafted in a controlled environment. That means fewer imperfections and more predictable patterns, veining, which a lot of homeowners love. It is durable, stain resistant, and doesn't require sealing, making it a perfect solution for busy kitchens and modern lifestyles. So if you're curious about quartz and want help making a decision about the countertop materials that you would like for your home, reach out to us here at Granite Karma and we would love to help.